Now let's look at unwrap and none. Just looking at this code, we have let result option of type option i32 equal none, let val i32 equal result unwrap. So let's run this code and see what's gonna happen. And we have, first of all, okay, yeah, this is what I wanted. We see panicked at source main rs.rs on line 3. So here it panicked because it's unwrapped on a none. So these are convenient in small programs. So unwrap is convenient in small programs and in tests, but you need to be thoughtful about them in real code. So when is panic, the panic method, the right choice? There are three situations. The first is in tests. When you're writing a test and something goes wrong, you want the test to fail loudly and immediately. Panic, or more commonly assert equal, and unwrap are exactly right there. The second is in prototype code. When you're just trying to get something working quickly, it's totally fine to use unwrap everywhere to get the happy path working. You can go back and replace those with proper error handling once you know the code is correct. The third is for truly unrecoverable states, situations that are definitely a bug in your code, not something the user did wrong. If you reach a branch that should be mathematically impossible given your project logic, a panic is appropriate. So this is something like, and I'm just gonna copy and paste the code, something like this. Assert, here we're using assert. The key phrase there is there's a bug in your code. If it's our fault, a logic error, a violated invariant, something that should never happen, panic is appropriate. But if something can really fail at runtime, the user gave a bad input, a file doesn't exist, a network request is timed out, that's not a bug. That's an expected failure mode, and for that we use result. So result is a standard library in defined like this. Let's do that. So it's defined like in result TE OK T ERRT E. So here T is the type of the value you return on success. E is the type of the error you return on failure. When a function can fail, instead of crashing and returning garbage, it returns either OK with the good value or ERR with a description of what went wrong. Here's the crucial difference from most other languages. In Rust, the compiler forces you to handle result. You cannot ignore it. In Python or JavaScript, you can call a function that throws and just not catch the exceptions. It will blow up eventually, but the compiler doesn't say anything. In Rust, if you get the result back and you ignore it, the compiler gives you a warning at minimum and often an error. You have to decide, do I unwrap it? Do I propagate the error, or do I provide a default? you must make a choice. That's what makes Rust code reliable.